Hello. Right, so selecting stuff in Ableton Live. Let's start first with the session view. So let's say we want to select a bunch of non-contiguous slots. So the way to do that is to hold down the Control key and then click the slots we want to include in our selection. Like that. For selecting tracks, it's exactly the same. Say we want to select that track, and that track. So we just hold down Control and click the tracks that we want to include in our selection. There we go, something like that. Same thing goes for the browser. Say we want to include a bunch of non-contiguous browser items. So we just hold down the Control key and click away. So it works as expected, right? What about in other applications? Let's say Google Sheets. So it's the same. We just hold down Control and click any cells we want to include in our selection. Voila. What about File Explorer as well? Same thing. Hold down Control. It works as expected. So it's always the Control key to select non-contiguous items, right? Well, let's try one more thing now. Let's try the piano roll in Ableton Live. So let's say we want to select this note, and this note. So, of course, we just hold down the Control key as we have been doing all along and click away, right? Let's try that. Interesting, that didn't work. And that's because in Ableton Live's piano roll, it's not actually the Control key that makes non-contiguous selections, it's actually the Shift key. So that was done by holding down the Shift key. So as you can see, everywhere else in the universe, it's the Control key that does the trick. So the piano roll in Ableton Live is basically wrong. It should be the Control key, otherwise it's just confusing for users. Thank you.